glazed chicken, only on BlakeWrTv. Remember, if you are watching, don't forget to subscribe for more of this delicious food.
Yeah.
This thing smells good, delectable, yummy, succulent. You
Good.
get all the flavor right here in this pot. Look at that glazed, beautiful chicken, guys.
Just like that.
I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma, the smell coming from this pot.
Yeah, just like that looking.
This thing is mouth watering already.
Yeah.
Get a picture of that, guys.
And also check out my rice over here. It's my rice.
Take a look at the rice pot. So we got a Scotch bonnet pepper on top.
Yeah.
And that's the rice and beans.
That's the rice and
Coconut milk. All the herbs and spice in there. We got the thyme. Beautiful looking.